Hello, so this is a full year 2018 map of the 5 Squid Jigger vessels that we have in our list, and we've looked at something similar to this before, but not for the full year, and I think it was that would have been for 2020. So what we're kind of expecting to see is the pattern of Sauri fishing up off of Japan. We're just outside of Japan, and then I guess squid fishing down closer towards the Falkland Islands. So I'll just start to play it. So we do see that. Okay, sorry, let's start again. So there. And so here when it ends, you can actually see the one vessel that does appear to go to Mauritius, and then we don't see it again until it reappears again off the coast of Japan, but coming from Taiwan. I think what's interesting about this is that we really need more vessels, and to try to place the ones that we do have within sort of, I guess, a broader data set that is possible by kind of just zeroing in or focusing in on where the vessels that we do have are, and then sort of pinpointing other vessels that are in the area at the same time. The other thing is, again, it's also, even though the same vessel is moving around a lot, it's really only the one that we see that actually ends up over towards the Falkland Islands. This one here that we can see there now. And then right now, at this point in time, it's really the only vessel that we have a position on. So that doesn't mean it's the only one. It just means it's the only one that we have a name for. Okay. So before I move on to 2019, I just thought, for the purposes of annual comparison, that we would I'll try to stop it sort of at the key times, and to be able to highlight those times and geographies, to be able to then draw some comparison to the 2019 patterns, but for the same vessels. So again, we'll be sort of with a limited data set, but still we should be able to see similar annual patterns, or we would expect to see them, I'm thinking. So if we start here, so it's the Falkland Islands now, and then starting to make the way back as June approaches. And at that time, notice too, we can already see, June, July, the vessels outside of Japan already starting. And then there by September, what appears to be, I think, 4 of the 5 are already there, and then they're there for the most part, and one already making its way back to Taiwan towards the end of October, and then leaving again before the start of the new year. Okay, so I'll move on to the next one, and we'll see if those same things sort of play out again. And we kind of know they do, because we've done 2020, I think, already. So let me start again.